Bitcoin still in a downtrend on this range, guys. We also have that on the daily. I got this on the 4, but we already created that on the daily. It's kind of not created yet. Well, it is because we test that over there. And on the 4, this is a really good one, okay? It was not tested here, but that's not really important because on the 1 hour, and even on the 4, we might be creating something like this, an even more interior one. Let me delete this, sorry. An even interior from that 4. Okay. And let me check that on a 1 hour. Okay. That is also a good one. Okay. 4 hour. Uh, as I said on the last video, this 4 hour support was tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It's now the fifth time that we are testing that. I'm not really sure if we are going to hold here. Probably not, honestly. This is real. This range here, it's really bearish. But yeah, we can easily get a bounce on this 1 hour polarity. Okay, so what that means is that we are going to close everyone that took longs here. If we go maybe here not, but maybe on this 4 or on this 4 polarity. Okay, if we go there, bounce also on the 4 hour uptrend here. Let me show you this 4 hour uptrend. If we bounce on that, we are probably going to see a big move to the top. Might not go actually to the top here, but it has to go at least to this 4 or probably on this 4. Okay, because this one, it's kind of not created yet on the 4. It is on the 1 hour but not on the 4. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that because I think these are the two major trends. Okay, the uptrend on this range, the downtrend on the top. Okay, so what I really want to say is that the best levels here, probably for a long position on the next few hours at least, it's going to be either on this 4 hour polarity or on this 1 hour untested level inside that 4. Okay, it's this one here. But I will not buy on the first touch. Okay, we might see a big reaction to the top on the first touch, but what I really want is to see if the uptrend here is going to hold. And if the uptrend doesn't hold, well, actually, on the 1 hour, we might actually come down to this 4. Okay, it's an untested level also. Okay, as you can see here, this 4 hour was not tested. So we can easily bounce on this 4 or even going even lower. Okay, because on the 1 hour, we can break the trend, but it's not going to be broken on the 4. So what I really want, and not buy on the first touch on these levels. Okay, this polarity here might see also a yeah, we might see a big move also, a big and fast move to the top, testing this polarity moment here. Okay, but inside that we still have this 15. This 1 hour was tested. Yeah, this 1 hour is tested. It's probably the base of the move. That's why I marked that. I will probably delete that. Okay. Inside this 4 hour, we have the 15 here. We have the 1 hour here, 15 here, and that's probably the greatest point for a buy. Okay. Yeah, the spread is going to be good for possible entry, but not on the first touch. Okay, guys, because we can also go to this daily here. This was the polarity that created this move to the top and to a new all-time high. Okay, this daily here. Okay, the dash light blue, it was the polarity moment that created the 10% to the new all-time high. So we have to be careful. We have to be careful because this is kind of bearish here. We are creating some lower highs on the daily, lower highs on the 4 hour, and Honestly, this 4 hour was probably tested, so if this 4 was tested and we don't see a reaction on this polarity, we are going to the next 4 untested, okay? And if this 4 it's not strong enough because we have polarity down here, we need to wait, okay? So it's either trying to buy this 4 or trying to buy this 4, okay? If we go to this 4 and we don't see a fast and big reaction to the top, we are going to try, sorry. We are going to try to buy the maybe the retest, the back test of this trend for a short position, okay? Or maybe the back test and some higher level if we created if we create resistance after the break of the trend. Okay, guys, so this is what I think about Bitcoin for yeah, this is for probably a daily unless we are going even lower really fast, but I believe we are going to see some reactions on the next 8 to 12 hours. Okay, we are really bearish right now, we are just going down. We have the polarity moment on this 1 hour. Let's see if we are going to see a big reaction or we are coming down. Thank you so much and see you guys on the next analysis of Bitcoin. Thank you.